What up, future scholars of America? Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Today's topic is gerunds and gerund phrases, which is our second verbal that we're going to be exploring. Feel free to pause, rewind, or fast forward this video at any time to get the best notes possible. A gerund is when you have a verb or a verb form that ends in ing, but it's used the same way a noun is used. So it's a verb masquerading as a noun. Or maybe that's the other way around. Maybe it's a noun masquerading as a verb. Anyway, let's see some examples. So just like how nouns have multiple functions, gerunds can fit any one of those functions. Gerunds can be subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, objects, prepositions, predicate nouns, etc., etc., etc. I have all these examples to prove it. So eating typically in this form is going to be used as a verb, like I am eating. But in this sentence, eating is something I enjoy. It's taking the place of the subject, but it's a verb ending in ing, which means it's a gerund. My grandfather likes what? Strolling. Strolling, verb form, ending in ing, that functions as a direct object. Same with indirect, object of a preposition, predicate noun, even appositives. Now, a gerund phrase is just simply a gerund plus any complements or modifiers. Let's look at a few examples. Dancing the tango is not as easy as it looks. So, first of all, what is the gerund in this sentence? If you said dancing, you're correct. But what's the rest of the phrase? Dancing the tango. Dancing the tango is the phrase. Is the simple predicate. Note, the difference between a present participle, which also ends in ing, and a gerund, which also ends in ing, is that a present participle is used as a verb or an adjective, and gerunds are always used as a noun. So how do you tell the difference? Running around the track, Marty felt exhilarated. How do you know if this is being used as a verb, a participle, or a gerund? Well, good thing there's a little trick. Hold on. Maybe the trick will show up when this thing goes away. Gerunds can be replaced with the word it and the sentence still makes sense. If running were used as a verb, I am running, you couldn't replace it with it. I am it. Doesn't make sense. But in the sentence running around the track, Marty felt exhilarated, can you replace running around the track with it and the sentence still makes sense? No, it doesn't. It, Marty felt exhilarated, doesn't make sense. So if it's not being used as a verb and it's not being used as a noun, then that must mean running around the track is a participial phrase that describes how Marty felt. Okay, but what about this one? Running gives Marty a sense of calm. Can you replace running with it? It gives Marty a sense of calm. You can. So it's not being used as a verb, it's not being used as a participle, it's being used as a gerund. All right, you see the difference? Verb, participle, gerund? Hope so. Hey, I got an Easter egg for y'all. Question. Here's a riddle. Uh, it has a head. It also has a tail, but it has no body. What is it?